Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cars of the year, the 2025 Dodge Challenger. This is more than just a facelift or a performance upgrade. It's a bold evolution of an American icon that manages to stay true to its muscle car roots while embracing the future of automotive design and technology. If you're into raw power, modern luxury, and head-turning design, this one's definitely worth your attention. The first thing that hits you is the exterior. The 2025 Challenger doesn't shy away from making a statement. The front end is now sharper and more futuristic, with a wide, seamless LED headlight strip running across the grille, giving it a bold and aggressive look. The body is still muscular, but it's been refined with sleeker lines and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The yellow paint job we're looking at today is absolutely stunning. Deep, glossy, and rich, it reflects the light like a show car. Black accents on the grille, side, mirrors, and wheels contrast beautifully against the paint. The car sits low, wide, and confident, with 4 massive exhaust pipes at the rear reminding you this is no ordinary daily driver. Even the Dodge logo has been modernized and sits proudly at the center of the front fascia. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin has been completely redesigned to offer a mix of high-performance functionality and luxury comfort. The doors open wide to reveal sport-style bucket seats upholstered in premium black leather with yellow stitching that echoes the exterior color. These seats are bolstered just right. Not too stiff for everyday use, but supportive enough when you're pushing the car to its limits. The dashboard is futuristic, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and performance settings. Everything feels driver-focused. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and packed with controls, and the center console is minimalistic yet functional. Ambient lighting lines the cabin, giving it a high-tech vibe, especially at night. Materials throughout the interior are top-notch, including soft-touch panels, carbon fiber trim, and metallic finishes that make the Challenger feel more premium than ever before. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger continues to impress. This model comes equipped with a 6.4-liter V8 engine, now with mild hybrid support, delivering over 550 horsepower. That's serious power, and it translates to serious speed. The throttle is responsive, acceleration is brutal in the best way possible, and the sound coming out of those quad pipes is pure muscle car music. The hybrid assist doesn't take away from the raw feel, it actually enhances it, offering smoother torque delivery and better fuel efficiency when cruising. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Explorer, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Would you also like me to write you a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or a hook for the intro?